Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Din. I'm going to today show you how to cook a keema potato and pea curry. One of my favorites actually. I love it with some chapati or rice. Anyway, get some coriander, chop that up and put it to one side. That's for the last stage of our dish. Get a couple of onions, medium size, and chop them up finely. And one tomato. Then in a saucepan put your onions, half a cup of vegetable oil. I usually like to use rapeseed oil. 3 green chillies of the tomato we've chopped. Into the pot also you need to put your gram masalas, which is like cinnamon stick, bayleaves and cardamon pods. Take it over to the cooker, put it on high heat, put your meat in the saucepan as well, minced meat, and a teaspoon and a little bit of salt. Bring it to boil and basically give it a stir. Make sure it doesn't stick or burn at the bottom. What we're trying to do is let the meat release all the water, and also fry in the onions. Do this for 5 minutes or so until it's nice and hot and the meat has changed colour as well. Then what we can do is add the water. This is quite a simple dish to make and very easy to make. It's normally prepared within the hour. So add the water, maybe a cup of water, and bring it down to a low simmer and cook it for about half an hour. These are the spices you'll need. We have cumin today, and chili powder, turmeric, and some potatoes as well. We're going to put potatoes and peas in this curry. Once it's cooked about half an hour, just like this, you give it a good stir and break up the onions. The more you stir it, the more the onions will break up, and then put your spices in. So we have coriander powder, probably about a teaspoonful of coriander powder. And we have red chilli. I always use Kashmiri chilli, mainly because it gives it a nice colour, and also it's not too hot, because I use the green chilies as well, and then use the turmeric as well. I think to this we'll put 3/4 of a spoon of turmeric. And paprika, only half a teaspoon of paprika. I think that should do it. And cumin, about 3/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, I would say. Yeah. Give that a good stir so that the oil comes out of the meat and starts cooking the onions and the meat and the spices all together. We do this for a few minutes, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Keep on stirring it as much as you can, because what you're trying to do is break up all the onions, so it gives it a nice sauce base as well, so you don't get too many lumps of onions. Then once you've got to this stage, we're going to add our vegetables. At this stage you can give it a taste, see if the salt content is okay, and then add all your vegetables which we had prepared earlier, 1 potato and some peas. put all that into the saucepan and give it a good stir, and then add water. Put water just above the potatoes and the meat, and then bring it to the boil. And once it's come to the boil, turn it down for maximum 20 minutes, because normally vegetables take anything from 15 to 20 minutes to cook. So give it a good stir, bring it up to the boil, put the lid on it and simmer it for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it comes to a boil, put in the chopped coriander we had and give it a little stir. Put the lid back on and turn it right down to low to medium for 15 to 20 minutes, just for the vegetables to cook, and basically you're done. This is a really easy dish to cook. It's great with chapatis or rice, and I love it in the morning with chapatis actually. So anyway, give it a go and let me know in the comments how you find it, if it's easy to cook for yourself, and enjoy it, and hopefully see you soon. There you go, beautiful.